Hi guys, right, a new little release from us is a live workshops. So what I've done is on tutorials.newzenler.com we now have a new menu item which says live workshop form. Now if you click this, you're going to go through to our live workshop form, which is going to register your interest in a particular workshop that we will be running. So we might be running multiple ones of the same thing for new users, new beginners, like new people using creating funnels. We're going to add more to this form as we go through, so you can raise your interest, and we'll probably be changing the way that it works as well and things like that. But for now, we've just got this form set up so that I can get started on the live workshop straight away. And what we have here is interest in which workshops. Now, definitely for people that are thinking about actually upgrading and going for the pro and premium plans, which are at an amazing evergreen discount. You want to jump onto the onboarding workshops, because in those workshops you can ask questions about any of your concerns, maybe the future development, the way we're thinking about things, the way we look after you guys. If you're already, maybe you're on the beta and you're going to upgrade and you don't need the onboarding experience, then you might want to go to the beginner level and also, upgrade from there. Now, for you guys that are already doing it, and even beginners to advanced users that want to know and ask questions about creating funnels, that's lead magnets and video funnels inside Zenler, I'm going to set up a workshop for that. And I'm also, this is less common, but there might be a workshop on advanced tips and tricks inside Zenler. Now these advanced tips and tricks might be using CSS and HTML, which we offer no support for, but me as a website developer, I can get this information across to you so that it's easy for you to digest. So you might want to follow along with those more advanced tips if you're already a kind of Zenler guru and want to extend your skill set even further, especially when it comes to integrations with other pieces or other apps in general, or learning a little bit and where to start with learning things like HTML or CSS or PHP or whatever. So that will be an advanced workshop, probably held later in the year. We want to focus our attention on onboarding and the beginner experience to get you guys over the line, so you're creating courses and actually generating money and then upgrading to pro and premium. This is our plan. So we need to know your membership level, what you're at. Now all of these are fed into a database, so we can actually target you and send emails to you when these proper workshops are coming up, so that we're not sending a blanket email to all of you that are not interested in a particular workshop. So I need to know your level. You might be an experienced user and you're just getting on board with the platform itself, in which case you might put other advanced user, use teachable, or you might be a complete beginner. So then we know how to cater for you guys, so we make it very easily digestible. So also, what is your most urgent question? These are questions that you feel, does the platform do this? Can I do this with the platform? How easy is it to work with the platform? These kind of questions. And what sort of site are you creating? It's good for us to understand you as an instructor and what you're doing. And have you created courses before, of course? First name, last name, email. Country is always a good thing, because then I can make sure my time slots are going to work with you. And then preferred live workshops. Now these times I've got here are GMT times, so just make sure that they're working for you in your country. And preferred live workshop day. Now I'm not saying I can hit your thing, but if I get enough users I can put them into one workshop and just tell you that that's going ahead. Right, so with that in mind, when these workshops run, they will be put into our master course. So these replays, once they've run and live, it's live, so people are asking questions, then you guys are then going to go to our actual page, and you're going to see the replays under the ZenZ Masterclass bundle, where I have set up a new course in here which has no content in at the moment, under Live Workshops 2021. So that's where all of the lives are going to go into. So if you guys have missed it, you can watch it on the replay. Now I'm going to open a discussion on each of the workshops so you can ask questions for a specific workshop. So this is all happening 2021, big year for us, so we're really hammering on with creating things like quick start guides, advanced ninja tricks. This is going to be a pretty good one for you guys that are an advanced developer level. Quick start guide, so that you don't have to run through maybe all of the complete guide to Zenler. You might just want a quick digestible 2-hour session in which you can create your site and create your first course. Runs very nicely with Kevin's challenges, which he runs as well, his workshops that he runs. So he will be referring to these quick start guides, and I'm very much creating a course around what Kevin is actually doing in the challenges. So it all sort of gels together. We're working quite closely together, making sure that we're hitting all the marks. Okay guys, so that is the form. So make sure you go to tutorials.newzenler.com and click the live workshop form, fill it out guys, and then I'll get back to you. So I'm going to leave this probably a couple of weeks to let people start to register their interest in different courses. When I get enough people, I don't want to have the course too big, so I'm probably going to let 10 in at a time. Keep it quite small, because otherwise the workshops can overrun, and in some cases if it's a big interest, I might run multiple workshops extending on the one before. I don't want to do that, but let's see how it goes. So this is very much trial and error, and we're going to get things across and gel together. So guys, enjoy the Zenler Live Workshops coming to you in 2021.